Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for a TradingView account. To sign up for a TradingView account, you can open up tradingview.com on a web browser or simply open up the TradingView application on your mobile device. Either way, once you are done, you can see the menu button appearing at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the sign in button at the top and you can then choose one of the sign in methods to log into your account if you already have an existing account for TradingView. If you don't have an account and you'd like to sign up, tap on the sign up button which should appear at the bottom or anywhere on the screen. Simply look for the sign up button and tap on it. On the next page, you have several options you can begin the sign up process with. The easiest way to sign up is by choosing Sign up with Apple or Sign up with Google option. You can also sign up using your email address. To do so, tap on the email button and then enter your email address in the first text box on the next page you would like to sign up with. Make sure you type in the correct email that you have access to. After you do that, go to the username text box and then type in your username you'd like to use for your account. On the next field, type in a password that you'd like to use in order to secure your account. Make sure to create a password that is at least 7 characters long and that includes letters and numbers. Finally, after you are done, tap on the Create Account button at the bottom of the screen. Now, go ahead and enter some of your basic information to edit your profile on the next page. Type in a username, upload a profile picture. You can also link in your Twitter account username, any YouTube links to your YouTube channel, your YouTube username, and then finally click on the Save button at the top right corner after you are done entering the information. Finally, you will then be able to get inside your TradingView account. You have now successfully created an account and hence you are logged in to your TradingView account on your mobile device. You can now customize your profile, explore the dashboards, and set up your watch lists and alerts right away. You will then be set to explore TradingView's features and start analyzing markets. That is how you sign up for TradingView in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again